it's me, Lisa. I'm from Los Angeles. Like we are in Los Angeles right now, and like right now I'm representing BDN PRO TV. I know you guys are watching me out there. I say shout out to Sweets, everybody out there watching me. I'm just saying hi, and like right now I'm representing BDN PRO TV, and everybody's watching me out there. I promise y'all to bring y'all Rihanna. Everybody you know, Trey Songz, whoever you know, whoever's a favorite star, I'm gonna bring them, I promise. And like I was saying, like next year is gonna be our year. Like we're going through the world, like we're doing everything. We're gonna be the best, trust me. I'm telling you. From now on. And I'm saying shout out to Mickey's, he is the best, and BDN PRO TV, it's the best, trust me. And I'm saying shout out to our singer, he's famous. His name is Roger Mawete. I'm saying shout out to everybody who's behind the camera. Shout out to y'all, and thanks for being here. And thanks for watching BDN PRO TV. Keep watching.